Welcome to my class. Introduction. Class Standard 10. Subject Mathematics. Chapter name. Simple simultaneous equations in two variables. Exercise 12.2, Lecture 1. Today's lesson. To solve the problems of simple simultaneous equations. Solution of simple simultaneous equations. We shall discuss the solution of only the consistent and independent simple simultaneous equations. In previous exercise, that's mean exercise 12.1, we have already consistent and independent simple simultaneous equations. Such system of equation has only one, mean unique solution. Here, four methods of solution are discussed. One number method of substitution, method of elimination, method of cross multiplication, and graphical method. Today I will discuss method of substitution and method of elimination. And these two method we had already discussed in previous class. That's mean in class 8 we had already discussed. Today I'll again explain how to solve by using the method substitution and elimination. Okay, now follow. Substitution method. Conveniently, from any of the two equations, value of one variable is expressed in terms of the other variable, and putting the obtained value in the other equation, we shall get an equation with one variable. Okay, solving the equation, value of the variable can be found. This value can be put in any of the equations, but if it is put in the equation in which one variable has been expressed in terms of the other variable, the solution will be easier. From this equation, value of the other variable will be found. Follow the solution. Here given example to solve by the method of substitution. Here given two equation, one is 2x plus y equal to 8 and another one is 3x minus 2y this equal to 5. This is a given condition. From here we can take any one of this equation, either 1 or 2, but we have taken here from 1, find the value of y. Okay, y is equal to 8 minus 2x. This is equation number 3. You have to mention number of equation 1, 2 and 3. Now putting the value of y from 3 into, okay, as a result we'll get 3x minus 2 into 8 minus 2x, this equal to 5. Now calculate here 16, here plus 4x, 7x, left side and right side will be 21. Therefore x is equal to 3. Now putting x is equal to 3 in equation 3 number equation was y equal to 8 minus 2x, as x is equal to 3, so here it will be 3, therefore y is equal to 2. This is the required solution. Very easy. Okay, follow this. You can easily solve 1, 2 and 3 in your book exercise 12.2. So that will be assessment. Clear? Elimination method. Conveniently, one equation or both equations are multiplied by such a number so that after multiplication, absolute values of the coefficient of the same variable become equal. then as per need. If the equations are added or subtracted, the variable with equal coefficient will be eliminated. Then solving the obtained equation, the value of the existing variable will be found. If that value is put conveniently in any of the given questions, value of the other variable will be found. Follow a solution, same problem, that's been example 2, but solving process different. We have to use elimination method. Okay, given condition, at first we have to determine which variable will be vanished. Okay, our target to vanish y, so we have to multiply one number equation by one number equation by 2 and two number equation by 1. Okay, because here coefficient of y is equal to 2 and here coefficient of y 1, so we have to multiply 2 by 1, that's mean coefficient of y of first variable or equation 1, and 1 by the coefficient of y of second equation, that's mean here coefficient of y is equal to 2. So multiplying 1 by 2 and 2 by 1, as a result this equation will be 4x plus 2y, this equal to 16, and here will be 3x minus 2y, this equal to 5. As here is plus, here is minus, so we have to add new equation, that's mean 3 with 2. Okay, because here is plus minus, here is plus, that's mean here is plus, so this and this will cut. As a result we have to add 2 and 3. As a result this cut, and here will be 7x, right side will be 21, therefore x is equal to 3. Okay, but if we want to cut or vanish x, then we have to multiply 1 by 3 and 2 by 2, because the coefficient of x here 2 and here 3, so we have to multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2. Okay, but we have to subtract for vanishing x, because both here and here plus, when the same sign we have to subtract, when given opposite sign we have to add for vanishing x or y. Clear? Now putting the value of x in 1, we get 2 into 3 plus y is equal to 8, therefore y is equal to 8 minus 6, therefore y is equal to 2. This is the required answer. So by using this you have to solve 4, 5 and 6, that's mean by the elimination method you have to solve 4 up to 6 in your exercise 12.2. So the student will complete your homework from 1 up to 6, exercise 12.2, and submit the copy in the group. Date of submission 7/3/2021, time 9 p.m. Okay, so to up to this, thank you to all everyone.